Hello, everyone. Samir here from creativetrainingsystem.com. I'm making this video about Elliott wave. So let's get started. This is the basic phenomena of Elliott wave, right? The price drop for some reason, and then for some other reason, it start to go up, and it goes in five waves: one, two, three, four, five, and then correct itself A, B, C fashion. Everybody knows these diagrams all over the internet. You can find it at, blah blah blah. But the thing is, the most important thing is that where to get in, how to get in, and what kind of trade that we can have. So I'm trying to itemize and organize trades according to wave by wave. Let's say the best way to trade these waves are trade wave 1, 3, and 5, and A and C. Why? Because these are impulse wave. They have momentum. They move fast. And these three waves, like wave 2, wave 4, and wave B, are very dangerous waves. They are corrective waves, very ranging, wobbly, and dangerous. Overall dangerous wave to trade. Right? You can trade. They are tradable, but you need an expertise for that. All right, so let's get started. That how I itemize or organize these wave and a trading plan. What is my trading plan? So I start to do that, make some charts and all of that, and these charts and the video, detailed video, will be on my video course, the trading video course. Now, this is like, for example, trade number, how to trade, the plan to trade wave number 1, this one, the blue one, right? And so this is how it is. These are 1, 3, and 5 are impulse wave, which have 5 subwaves in it, right? So either if you see after you see, for example, any news or something, then so start bouncing. So you see a small subwave, wave 1, 2. This is where we get in, either with 7-minute chart, 20-minute chart, or regular 15 or 5-minute or 15-minute chart, whatever strategy you have. Then we take to a certain level, which is explained in the video, detailed video. Then again, we find another entry from 20-minute. If we find another entry, that would be from 20-minute chart, my Renko 20-minute chart, or 15. And then finally, we reach to a resistance or extended level of 127 or 161. It all explained, in my other videos, right? And after that, it drops. So this is like with trading wave 1 with this plan from here and from here. Then it dropped for wave 2, and then what happened after that? Then wave 3 comes in, right? And it start to go to the upside. So this is where entry from 7 to 20 or 5 to 15 with this setup, and then it goes to the upside. And after that, this is my reversal extension from reversal 40-minute or H4, a regular 4-hour chart. It reverses after wave 1, and then wave 2 around like 61%, 50 to 78 basically, and average is 61% most of the time. And it'll start to go up. First trade would be here, entry would be here, then it goes to a certain level. It's all calculated in daily range and all of that. But after that, it dips a little bit around 38%, and then we get in with the second entry here, find the second entry, and then get in again, and then take it to the upside all the way to the end of wave 3. After that, it retraces back again for wave 4, and then the game starts for wave 5. Same thing again. This is where the wave 5 also have 5 waves, 5 subwaves, right? So this is where you make an entry. The first entry is either from 7-minute, or if you 7-minute don't give it to you, then 20-minute, and then second entry if it shows up from 20 only, not 7. Dangerous, right? So this is how wave 1, wave 3, wave 5 trading plan, and then after that, this is the trading plan for wave A. You leave the wave B alone, and then wave C again, the same thing. This is the plan for wave C, because wave A and wave C are also impulse wave. So this is the plan, and this is each and every diagram of these, and that I made a detailed video about how far this wave goes, wave 1 goes, and then the retracement is how much, and then wave 3, and then wave 4, and how you get in, and what strategy you use. I use my strategy, of course, right? So let me show you something that only last week, because the video otherwise is going to be too much. So last week, all of these trades were taken. Look at that. from here, from wave trade number 1, 2, 3, all the way to 30. But just let me show you only this UJ, GJ, and UJ because of the intervention and then some nice big trade, right? But how and why I took it using the same Elliott wave mumbo jumbo, right? So what really happened is that let me just go and show you that this is first. Let me show you the trade. Okay, this is like UJ from 7 minute entry from the top. I took it, and it is taken May 2nd around 7 o'clock, right? May 2nd. So let's go take a look at the 4 hour, 40 minute chart. What really happened on UJ around May 2nd, 7 o'clock? That's where this 7 o'clock is exactly. You see that it is, if you pull the fib, it's exactly coming off of 61%. And this is it. A retracement, then again extension, then retracement and extension. I took it because I, somehow I had a very strong feeling that they're going to intervene again, and they did, right? So, but I was expecting that if I'm lucky that I can go to 23% line. That's what exactly happened, right? From 61, it goes back to 23. If not, then it goes to extension level to 127, which it did. Let's see if the extension level 127 or 161. So how far this one went? Exactly in between that, right? So it came and touched 141, which is right after 127 and just below, just before 161. So either see the game is the retracement and extension, retracement, extension, right? So this is where my entry was. You can see that the trade, right? Exactly the same time, right? It was turning from there and I made the turn. And on a 20-minute chart, let me show you something that this is a 40-minute and this was a 20-minute chart of USD yen. So this is where the line is. The 61% is coming exactly 156. You see that 61%, 156.10. And this is, whoops, this is where 156, right? So right after that, it start to make the turn, and my entry from 7 minute is right here. But even if you miss that, or even if you don't want to use 7 minute because it's fast and need some expertise, then easy 20-minute entry was right there, right? Right after that, couple hours later, and then that produced how much? Imagine, it's just like from there all the way down to what? Almost 300 pip going, right? Same thing happened. Euro yen, for example, this was the 20-minute entry all the way down, but the trade, the 20-minute, let me see which one is next. Oh, pound yen. Okay, so let me show you pound yen. What happened to pound yen on a 40-minute chart? Pound yen was at that time was doing this right there. See, just below 78%. Right? And after that, whoops. What is this? CAD Gen 40. Okay, let me just get rid of this quickly. I don't want it right now. In Asian session, deal with that, right? See, it is making a reversal candle and my alarm start beeping. That's the signal. And after that, I just pay attention to my entry and all that. So anyway, so this is Euro yen, right? And it was coming off of this number here, 167.46, basically, right? Just below that. And that's exactly what happened here on the 20-minute chart. This is 167.11 here, line. And then from there, my entry was here. And this, the entry on Euro yen. No, oh, sorry, pound yen. And you can see here, this is pound yen, buddy, what's up? This is what it is, right? So 195, let's say 195.70, and that's where exactly it start to drop. 195.70 on pound yen, 195.70 is right there. See, 197.74. After that, my entry was here. Then 7-minute entry, my EA took it, and then this is like I said, that if you don't want that too fast, then wait for the 20-minute, which it comes at. And then this is exactly what these charts are talking about. I made this chart, right? So this is what's happening on Friday with all these three euro yen, USD yen. We pull back 61% and then start to come down. And right there, I made my entry all the way down. This is what the benefit of this learning these Elliott waves and harmonic patterns are the same thing in the Elliott waves. Usually you have like here Berkeley, Gertley, Berkeley, and all of that, and then at the end here, usually you get the butterfly pattern or crab pattern. The same here, butterfly or crab pattern. But basically they are Elliott wave as well, right? So these charts and then video individual explaining individual things, individual wave one, how to trade wave one, how to trade wave three, wave five, their extensions, their levels, their distance, using Fibonacci 2, and then how to trade A and B. Every single thing is in this course that I have on my this website, and then the new website that I made, ElliottWaveMaster.com. My son made that, and it's all up and running. So all of these charts and their individual videos will be added today on that course. Powerful, powerful course, powerful information. If you can learn these, and then that's it. You can conquer this whole market. This happens no matter what you do, what instrument you trade, but you're gonna find these things. This is what's happening all the time, right? Sometimes it's very complicated, right? So when it is complicated, we leave it alone, right? When you see clear waves, that's the only thing that you want to trade, right? Just like somebody asked Bruce Lee that who you're afraid of. He says, "Well, I'm not afraid of a person who practiced 1,000 kicks, but I am afraid of a person who practiced one kick 1,000 times." Right? So we are not here to take, like a PhD degree in Elliott wave study, right? We want to learn only something specific that we can use and pull some amazing trades. Simple as that. And this is what I am providing you, that beautiful, beautiful setups here, and understanding this very easy. It's just a matter of learning and then putting it together and apply to the life charts, right? So this is how it is. These charts, I mean, I spent tons of time to make these charts. Trust me. But just trying to make it easier and easier for the public, for a common man, right? Common trader. So this is it for now, and I will add these videos in my trading course today. So just go ahead and see if you really want to learn all of this, then jump right in and start learning. All right. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get these videos right on time. Some of you, my subscribers, right, who have done a one-on-one, you just send me an email and I will give you these diagrams anyway, right? But if other people want to learn and watch the videos and all of that, you're gonna have to sign up one-on-one so I can explain you exactly what it is, what not. And after that, everything just this whole trading game becomes like walk in a park. That's it. You can trade at will, and exactly. And then my strategy is such that even if you make a wrong entry and if it backfire, you immediately go and then open a reverse trade and then cover your loss immediately. Immediately means in a few hours you'll get it back, right? If you made a wrong entry, because my entry is always from 20-minute chart, it's only 25 pip hard SL, not more than that. And from 7-minute chart is only 7 pip. Oh, sorry, 15 pip, right? So the first entry is 7 or 20. That's how it is. If it is wrong, then you lose 15 pip. And if it's dropping for some reason, you catch, you take the short setup and then cover your losses immediately. This is how it works. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.